Well, Saudi Arabia has decided to terminate its 50-year-old petrodollar agreement with the United States.
A new world order is set to take place as more countries de-dollarize. Saudi Arabia has officially ended its 75-year petrodollar agreement with the US, shifting to a multipolar world. This signifies a great shift in global power against the US-led West to the China-backed East. Saudi Arabia, with other BRICS nations, have agreed to trade in local currencies, shutting the US out in a $97 billion trade agreement. Both Russia and China blame the US for this majestic shift, as they claim the US has weaponized the dollar. Saudi Arabia's move will have ripple effects on the world politics, particularly on the US, both foreign and domestic policies. This will affect inflation, lead to a decrease in demand of the dollar, making buying international goods more expensive for Americans. Do you think de-dollarization is a good thing, or it will have negative ripple effects on the economy?
Shooting shots and they miss, they can never handle this. Who the heck is this? Who the heck is this? Who the heck is this? I'm